Madison. What kind of show? And we make a couple of videos like the BFF ride, and Tyler messed up the video, and
Real versus Gummy Food Challenge.
And no, we didn't do that one because you.
Oh yeah. And we did What's in the Box Challenge.
Yeah.
Hold on,
And we did the Poking Slime video, but you might want to go on Kevin Pearson's channel because actually you'll see it on there because that was our first video, so we didn't even know what to press, so there was no name, so you might want to go.
So here's our wet slime.
If you say Kevin Pearson, then we'll go to his channel.
Or if you say Tyler messing up the video, mine or something, I don't know. So, but yeah. Pokeball. I just put something on it so it could be so stretchier. Oh, yeah. That's how we make it.
This. We're twins. I missed you when I was in Florida at Disney World.
When you were in Florida.
Oh my gosh. I saw Tinkerbell fly across.
Oh yeah, she did.
She was glowing. And
we went to San Antonio, right?
Oh yeah, I remember that, but we went to Disney World. It was so fun. Oh, and if Ariana Ray is watching this now, you can call us. But
Ariana Ray.
You don't even know who she is.
I know.
We're like best friends. I miss her so much.
She subscribes.
What? If she subscribes, what? It's subscribe. No, subscribe.
No, she subscribes.
We're gonna be editing this video
about but
I just broke. Okay, we're gonna make her big, huge bubble. You wanna make her huge bubble?
Yeah. But guys, it might not work that well because it might break. So. Yeah, but let's try. Okay. There you go. Need to do something like yeah, that's better. See me now? Better?
Look out, guys.
See, let's break it first. We're going to do it right here.
But kind of
because we need you put it. See us while we're standing or something. We're going to be all the way back here somehow. And you're not going to be able to see us, so